Hello, my name is Medina. My career call it Rapid Emergency Response. It's for natural disaster and emergency that happen every day in our country.
Rapid emergency response. What if in this particular moment, an earthquake, hit us, or a tsunami, or being already on hurricane season, Dominican Republic will be hit by one Category 6? That is what will happen.
In the Dominican Republic, we should have in account that most of the time, people are not alert. Imagine it. Imagine having a control center which is capable of connecting to the most recognized and reliable centers of this kind of phenomena. Control center. For example, for tracking earthquakes and tsunami, we have a USGS. For tracking hurricanes and storms, we have a NOAA. Via API and could be capable of collecting all information needed but in real time of each natural events this is happening. This all information will be later processed by control center and will be present on website so final user can utilize it. It will also be spread by broadcasting over different mass media like SMS, social networks, radio, TV, an application called App Alert for the smartphones, which will allow alerting more people immediately about the situation from a reliable source. The control center is the core of this platform. It's designed on cloud computing and is totally decentralized, which allows setting up a control center in any place and anything happens to where the main one is currently located. This will also let having some replicas in other geographical points. For this, only computers with internet access are needed to set everything up again. This organism, besides being responsible of mass communication, will use an asterisk PBX as the communication media. App Alert is an application designed for the smartphones like Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, which allow alerting people about events of general emergency or natural disaster so they can take necessary measures to themselves safe. Also, they inform them about the different places set up for medical assistance, cool place with drinking water, refugees points, food, and rescue teams. This application will allow user interaction since the user could send pictures, videos, and text from the places he or she is at with the GPS coordinates or transmission antenna triangulation, showing via Google Maps, letting others know their exact location and having better information control. App Alert will allow users to collaborate via crowdsourcing together with the control center so they could share how-tos, step-by-step manuals of first aids, and basics in action in order to help others when needed while waiting for responsible rescue, meaning this saving more life. Asterisk PBX will let the control center communicate with the different rescuers like civil defense, firefighters, Red Cross, etc. to coordinate the rescuers' logistics. Via Asterisk PBX will be possible broadcasting the information via SMS for the cell phones using the different SMS gateways each telecommunication company of this country. We all know that in this kind of disaster situation, a big part of telecommunication media is affected. This project will cover this with OpenBTS, which will allow setting up antennas for immediate response in fast and economical way. Also, you can set up the Wi-Fi and communication via shortwave radios, so will allow the communication with more people. Also, it will be the best response to establish communication after disaster. There could also be some motorized response units with SUV or helicopters carrying the weather balloons with transmitter to later anchor it to the ground and power it. This will be done for non-coverage zones. One of the best things of this bird is that it can be used in daily basis for any kind of situation. It can be easily implemented elsewhere and based on open source technology.
Rapid emergency response will not only improve the life of 10 millions of Dominicans, but the life in each person of any country where this is implemented.